What's up YouTube, Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do an unboxing of a Yeezy and the FILA Disruptor 2. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are drawing the winners of the Nike Legend React, the Hyper Laces, and the REMS cleaning solution soon. I think it's like tomorrow. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and click the link down below so you can leave a comment on the pool from where I will draw the winners from. So let's get started. I am unboxing my first ever sneaker from FILA. Yeah. So both of these sneakers actually came from my from the reseller that I really trust the most. His name is Shoe Freak PH. I'll put the link down below, but I usually buy most of my Yeezys and rare pairs that I'm not able to get locally from him. So this one is something from him as well as the Yeezy. So let's get to it. As you guys see, you have the FILA box over here, red, white, colored black logo, and then that's very straightforward. The sizing is very small, unlike your typical, like tag wherein it takes up a big space of the box. So let's pop it open. You have the FILA paper, the Disruptor 2 paper, and then wow, that's really nice. So this is the FILA Disruptor 2 triple black. So as you guys can see, it's all black. So everything from the FILA logo to the upper to the laces, everything is solid black and it just looks so sick. So this one actually is a European exclusive, so it's not something that you can pick up locally, for now, but maybe in the future you can. So again, picked up this one from Shoe Freak PH. Man, this looks really good. As you guys can see, just very quickly, the midsole is very thick, very chunky, so that fits into the whole dad vibe thing going on right now. But this is probably one of the sickest looking dad shoes that you can find today, and it's wow, look at that. Look at those jagged like outsole parts over here. This looks really cool. So again, FILA Disruptor 2 in triple black. I will be doing the full review in the coming days ahead, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you guys can see it. It looks like more like a low-cut boot than anything else, because it really gives you that like kind of industrial manly man vibe, which I think is very cool. But anyway, watch out for the review. Lastly, we have the Yeezy 350 Boost. Now this one is going to be special. This isn't a pair that I'm going to keep. This is a pair that I'm raffling off and giving away. This was actually sponsored again by Shoe Freak PH for you guys, for you, my community here, for everybody here on YouTube. So we will be raffling this off on our 30,000 subscriber mark. So I know that I promised you guys like a shopping trip with somebody on the 30,000 subscriber mark. I'm still figuring out the mechanics on that one, so that might be moved, I don't know, to like 40,000 or 50,000. But I can guarantee you that the 30,000 raffle will be just as epic, just as crazy, and even more expensive than the plan of like flying in somebody to raffle away stuff. So again, this is the Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra. Now, caveat to those who are already excited on picking this one up. This one is massive, like a big size, and this is actually a size 13 and a half, and this is the pair that we're raffling away. Now, if you are size 13, then awesome, this will fit you. But if you are a smaller size and you do end up winning the raffle, no problem, you can trade it, you can sell it, I don't care. This is still actually a very good, legit, and genuine Yeezy 350 Boost. And what colorway it is? It is, let's pop it open. And of course, we have the Zebra. So again, this is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zebra. And we will be raffling this away come 30,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button because you will not be part of the giveaway unless you join our notification squad. So hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned until we hit 30,000 subscribers, where we will be raffling off this Yeezy 350 Boost V2 to one lucky subscriber from our community. Again, thank you to Shoe Freak PH for sponsoring this giveaway. And that's actually it for this quick vlog. I apologize if it's not as intense or it has a lot of, B-roll shots. I just wanted to put something together so I can have something out for today. I'm a bit under the weather. If you guys notice, my other eye is a bit little or smaller than my bigger one, mainly because it's a bit sore. So it's not sore eyes, you won't get infected, but I think some insect bit it, so it's, you know, a bit red. But yeah, everything's good now. I put eye cream and stuff like that. So I hope you're all having a great week. Please do make sure you tune in tomorrow, because we will be drawing the winners of our raffle for the Legend React, the Hyperlaces, and the REMS cleaning solution. Very excited for that one. And on Saturday, I have a very special birthday vlog. It's actually my birthday on Saturday, July 21. I was born 1982, so that makes me 36 years old. Woo! I'm legit Tito levels now because I'm 36. But anyway, so yeah, I have a special birthday vlog where I'll talking about where you guys should shop to take advantage of your special day. Because apparently, if it's your birthday, you can get massive discounts in specific sneaker shops here in Manila. And I'll be talking about that on Saturday. So that's it for now. Peace. God bless.